Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Realtek high definition audio driver issues here in your Windows or a computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is you need to open our device manager. How we can do that? At the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with device manager. So here at the device manager window, you need to expand it first to see things clearly, and you need to go with sound, video, and game controllers. Okay? So once you have selected it, you need to click this forward arrow, and there you would be able to see the Realtek R audio. Now here, you need to do a right click and then you need to go with update driver. So once you have clicked on it, it will show you a new window which is called Update Drivers on the Realtek Audio. Now it will opt you to choose two options which are search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers manually. You go with the second, and here it has the second option which is let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Just have to click on it. Okay, and here you need to select the Realtek audio that you have. In my case, I don't have any of here, only this one. Okay, but if you have the two or three options there, just have to try out one by one, then click on next and install the specific audio driver, and then click on next again, and then select the second and then click on next, and then select the third and then click on next, and just have to observe what will work for you. Okay, so just have to select the audio driver that works for you best. Okay, and then click on next and then restart your computer, and you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.